डैश के वहाँ लागलं तुला हो लाग Godverdomme! She's a little... Hey, I would have.
I thought I was on the bumper over there.
Yeah.
Next thing I knew, I'm off.
I would recommend calling a tow truck or something, because if not, you're gonna f that axle, and that's gonna cost you a couple $1,000.
It's already coming.
I mean,
No way my underneath survived.
I mean, it could, as long as you don't rock it back and forth, it should be okay, but you don't want to break that axle. Well, that sucks.
No, don't do that. Are you serious? Like,
Oh, yeah.
Yo, I actually do not have confidence over this driver, bro. Like the way he keep waving on this road, maybe he might be drunk or he is doing something inside of that car, bro. But let's see what is going to happen. Yo, bro, wait. Was that driver sleeping? Or was he talking on phone? Yo, I already know that something was about to happen because from the right lane, he ended up going to the middle to the left. Bro, that guy was up to something. Maybe he was busy doing something else in that car. Yo guys, so please let me know what you think about the video, and if this is your first time to be on my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like and share for more. Yo, so today we have road rage, bad driver, car crash, accident and instant karma. So let's keep going. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers right now. Yo, that will help me a lot.
He's drunk. He's drunk as shit. Yeah, he's drunk or something. Something's wrong.
Show us the guy, bro. We want to see who is that
I
person.
think he's drunk.
I think he is.
I think the guy's drunk. He just literally. There's a.
I got the whole video.
You did? Okay.
He almost rear-ended me.
No, I was right behind you.
Scared the shit out of me.
I'm sorry. The guy. There was a guy driving and he like swerved in front of the car in front of me, and I backed up because I saw him swerving all over the road. And then next thing you know, he just cut over into like 2 to 3 different lanes and just ran into the wall. There's one officer here right now. It's in an undercover car or whatever.
Hey, bud, hang tight, you ain't getting out.
Okay.
It is not legal, so they're going to get into some serious trouble. That's not right to shoot, kill an animal while it's in hibernation, it's sleeping.
Yo,
Right.
bro.
Better, why don't we just trick it with some food? Let it come out here in plain sight when, you know, like, no, I'm your friend. Why don't we fake call that I'm one of you, right? That's definitely a little bit better.
What a horrible dad. Come here, son.
Like, how could somebody be speeding like that?
All right. That's it. Stare at your phone, bro. Stare at your phone. Stare at your phone. Stare at your phone. Yay! You're on film, stupid. You're on. I said stare at your phone, idiot. You're f***ing ignorant. Jesus. Hit me! You little prick! You! Hit me! You're on film! Oh. Shut up!
What is he trying to do, bro? Yo, some drivers are out here like they do not have a reason to leave, bro. Like, what was the reason why he's opening that door?
Yeah. Can I get what do you want? What do you want? Do what? You're backing into the drive? Oh, I'm just trying to order food.
But this driver actually have confidence, bro. You want to buy food, I want to buy the same food, and you just move in front. This is my own turn, bro. If you wanted to buy and you was here before me, you should have patience. But for the fact that you have passed the point and I am right there on point right now trying to buy, bro, I'm not gonna let you control me. Tell me that you'll go back or go front. No, I'm going to buy then. If I let you can come back and continue whatsoever you want to do. But yo, let me know in the comment section what you think, bro. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's very important for me, bro, because I'm trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers. That will help me a lot. Yeah. As you see me right now reacting on this video, about to sleep, bro. Because after my work training, I'm going to school. After school, I come here today like 23. Okay, around 21. So 21, that is okay, that is 9 o'clock, 9 to 10 o'clock. You know, that is the time that I came home. And 9 to 10 o'clock, I had to make some food, eat before I come to react. Right now, I want to sleep. So, guys, please help me to reach the 1,000 subscribers so that at least I'll be eased with the stress, because I am in a difficult mood right now.
Oh, there's another one. But you're not here when I pulled up. Okay, that's... You're the one being the bitch.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert!
You got a problem, dumbass?
I ain't got no problem with nothing,
Then
man.
watch your motherfucking mouth how you talk to me, dumbass.
I ain't say nothing to you, did I? And you on film, idiot. What,
You gonna be on YouTube, you stupid. Hi, YouTube. Hey, say hi, YouTube. What a fucking moron. I got a phone. I can stare at it while I'm driving. I'm a genius. Yo! You're a fucking genius, baby. I don't think I've ever met anybody as smart as you.
Why are you so angry? Huh? Did I affect you? Why are you so angry?
You can't split lanes.
Did I affect you? Come on. Come on. Come talk to me.
Split lanes, you're gonna get hit by a car, man.
You were sitting still, right?
You're not to split lanes. It's against the law.
You were sitting still, right? How could you hit me if you were sitting still? How could you hit me? How could you hit me? Come talk to me. Oh, you're gonna get my license plate.
Oh, so you're cowardly.
434343F is my license plate.
What's your name?
4343F. Doesn't matter what my last name is. You can get it off. You can get it off my registration.
So you're being unsafe.
Dude, I went by you. I didn't, and it didn't affect you at all, did it?
All right, you're gonna get hit by a car.
You were sitting still. You were sitting still.
It's against the law.
You were sitting still. Why are you so mad?
Because you're being unsafe.
You want to see unsafe? I'll show you unsafe. Ready? You're gonna fucking shoot me? Really? You're gonna shoot me. You're gonna shoot me. You're a fucking dumbass. Go ahead. It's all on camera, dude. Go ahead. Yeah, that's what I fucking thought. That's right here. It's all right there. Go ahead, pull it out again. Fucking retard.
Hello?
Dear passenger. Hi, where are you? I'm across from Homewood.
One second.
Hello? Hello? I am across from Homewood. Hello? 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 Hello?
Yo, what's up YouTube? So thanks for watching till the end of the video. If you like my content, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like and share for more. Yo, thanks for watching once more. Yo.